Well, it's a busy day at the Cove. Getting ready for the boat races. Andrew, what's going on over here?
Hey, woo! We are having a boat race. Check out the boats at the Cove.
Oh, this is going to be interesting. All right, the competitors are lining up. We're almost ready to start the race. It's going to be awesome.
All right, everybody ready?
Hold on, where's Andrew going? All right, everybody ready? Here we go! Go! It's a close race. All right, I'm heading back over to Big Blue. Let's go see what's going on.